Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to your favorite place for product smackdowns. Today, we're diving into the world of floor cleaning with a showdown between two heavy hitters from the Bissell family, the classic Bissell Steam Mop on the left and the fancy Bissell SpinWave cordless pet mop on the right. Now, if you're wondering why we're comparing mops, it's because life is too short to clean floors with anything less than the best. And trust me, you don't want to be that person who cleans their floors with a dustpan and a prayer. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about the price. The Steam Mop is sitting pretty at just $92, while the SpinWave is flexing its muscles at $154. That's a difference of $62. Reviewers appreciate the Steam Mop for its affordability, especially for its performance in cleaning tough grime and leaving floors residue-free. Meanwhile, SpinWave users often mention that while it's pricier, its cordless convenience and ease of use justify the cost for those with pets or children who need regular cleaning. Next, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Cleaning power. The Steam Mop claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria and is praised by users for its effectiveness on heavily soiled grout. One reviewer mentioned it removed 20 years of grime from a rental property, showcasing its cleaning prowess. On the other hand, the SpinWave is all about that cordless freedom with powerful rotating mop pads. Reviewers have noted its effectiveness on grout lines and laminate wood floors, making it a great choice for those who struggle with traditional mopping. Now let's talk about runtime. The Steam Mop takes about 30 seconds to generate steam. Reviewers appreciate this quick heating time, which allows them to start cleaning right away. Meanwhile, the SpinWave offers up to 20 minutes of cordless runtime. While it's convenient, some users express disappointment over the battery life, noting that it could be a bit short for larger cleaning tasks. However, its ease of use is often highlighted by reviewers, especially for those with physical limitations. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: odors. The Steam Mop has odor-eliminating fragrance discs, which have received positive feedback from users who want to freshen up their floors while cleaning. One reviewer mentioned its effectiveness in eliminating bad smells from their living space. On the other hand, the SpinWave focuses more on the cleaning action rather than fragrance, appealing to those who prioritize cleaning efficiency over scent. Users appreciate its performance, but wish it had better odor control features. Overall, both products have their strengths and cater to different cleaning needs. The Bissell Steam Mop is favored for its sanitizing power and affordability, while the Bissell SpinWave cordless mop is praised for its ease of use and convenience, especially for pet owners. However, some users express concerns about the SpinWave's battery life. So which mop takes home the gold? If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that sanitizes like a pro, the Steam Mop is your go-to. But if you want the freedom of cordless cleaning and don't mind spending a little extra, the SpinWave is calling your name. Remember, folks, it's all about what fits your cleaning style. Whichever mop you choose, just know you're one step closer to a clean home and a happy life. And if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.